Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best free spicy apps on your Fire Stick, which you can use to watch content which is meant for grown-ups only, if you know what I mean. And first of all, what you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and in the search bar, you gotta start typing Downloader. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's actually not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So in order to set up the Downloader application, you need to go to settings, so you click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. So you open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you'll find the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to get NordVPN, you can also use IPVanish instead, which is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we do also have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment of this video or in the description of the video. So it's up to you to decide. It's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And then let's use Downloader safely. So we open the app and just wait until it loads for you. Then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So we click on Home, and there in the search bar, let's enter the code, which is going to be 647190. So once again, it's 647190. That's the code that you have to enter. Then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And as you can see, the download has already started. There, just click on Install, and now the app will finally be installed on your Fire Stick device. And after you have installed the app, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick does not really have too much of free space on it anyway. And then if you go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick device, which is right here, you open it, and there's the app that we have just downloaded to your device. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble when using such apps. And so that was the first app we got for you today, but it is not the last one, so let's go back to the loader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing and spicy app on your Fire Stick device. So the second code we are going to use is going to be 285356. So once again, it's 285356. That's the second code. So enter it as you see, click on go. And now the process is gonna be pretty much the same as before. So we just need to wait until the download actually starts. There it is, just wait for a couple of seconds. Click on install and make sure that the app is installed on your Fire TV Stick devices. Then click on done as always to get rid of unnecessary installation files. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, you open it, wait for it to load, and now there's the second app that we have downloaded for you. So let's put it up front as well. And now you got the amazing and really spicy apps on your Fire Stick. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.